1. Describe the picture. From my observation, the two pictures are about traveling, but there are many differences between them. In the first picture, I can see there are three people. I think they are a family with parents and a child. The man is wearing a red t-shirt. The woman is wearing a light green t-shirt. And the girl is wearing an orange t-shirt. They seem happy because I see they are smiling. In the second picture, there are a lot of people. They are on the transportation train. They wear different styles. They are sitting in two different separate lines on the train and focusing on their work. 2. What are the differences of traveling in these two types of transport? There are many differences between two types of traveling. Firstly, traveling by train, you can save time and money, reduce daily expenses, reduce air pollution, reduce traffic jam and rush hour, and save the environment. Secondly, private transport. Traveling by car, you can travel anytime and anywhere you wish. More comfortable because you don't need to share your space with anyone else. Take breaks whenever you want. 3. Why do people prefer to travel by car? People prefer to travel by car because it offers a chance to meet and make friends with other people. Additionally, we can travel anytime and anywhere we wish. Finally, we can enjoy the beautiful landscapes.